Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm walking you through the nodes inside of custom objects. Nodes help teams to capture important context, updates, follow-up, internal details directly on CRM records. In addition, you can also associate existing or new nodes from contacts or opportunities to a related custom object record, so the same node context is visible wherever it's needed. Let me show you how that looks like. So let's navigate to custom objects first. Let's click on animals on the left. In this case, we take the example of a vet. We select an animal. On the right-hand side, we select nodes. And here you can add nodes, you can search for nodes, you can filter by nodes and sort them by the date created. So let's add a node here. Let's say due for vaccination, for example. And here you can see the association is already the correct one. Let's hit create. And here your node will show up. Let's add another one. Let's say due for checkup. Let's hit create and let's search for only checkup nodes, and then only the checkup node will appear. Let's search for vaccination and you can see the vaccination node will appear. Now let me show you how you can associate a contact/opportunity node to a custom object. For this, let's go into contacts on the left. Let's go to nodes on the right and then add another node or open an existing one. Here, let's add one. You can give it a title. You can even select different colors. You can add attachments, and then down here you can associate the objects. Let's click associate to. Here we can associate it to an opportunity or the custom object. So let's select animals. And then here the animals field will show up, the custom object field. Let's click plus. Let's say it's the Persian one. Let's select this one and let's hit save. Now you can see the node showing up right here. If you click on this little number, you can see who's the contact and what kind of animal is this contact associated to. Other helpful use cases to use this feature could be in real estate, for example, in the insurance industry, or maybe automotive. So if you're a real estate agent, for example, add nodes for each site visit. For example, hey, the client prefers east facing or budget updated. These nodes will then reflect directly on each property record. So every agent within your agency, for example, will have the new context. Or if you're an insurance company and you have offered a renewal, you could add nodes like renewal offered or waiting on documents, for example. And that's it already. This is how you use nodes with custom objects. I hope you like this feature and be sure to check out all of our free courses, SOPs and snapshots even linked in the description below. I will see you over there.